Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Dlink Full HD Pan and Tilt Pro Wi-Fi camera. This is from the Pro series from Dlink. It offers Google Home Assistant technology and it works with the Amazon Voice Assistant as well. It spins up to 360 degrees on this little platform right here, and on the back you can see it has the Ethernet port and it has the power port with micro USB and a speaker as well. Now we'll give you some quick details on what it can do. It can detect people right here. It has a card slot for up to 256 gigabytes of storage and no fee cloud recording as well. So here's some technical specs. You can pause this anytime and take a look more at what it has to offer. We'll show you on the back here as well. And then we have one more side to show you of what it has to offer. Again, you can pause this video anytime and take a look. Right here, there you go. So it shows you all the different parts it has. It has the infrared LEDs, has a lighting sensor, it has a full HD 1080p, 138 degree field of view, so that's very nice. And it shows you all the pieces that come in the box as well down here. All right, and then you can see the pieces that came in the box over here. You get the mounting screws, mounting plate, you get the charger piece right here, and the charger itself. So here it is. It's handheld size and it pan and tilts. Pretty cool. I like cameras that are this small that you can use for smart home and home security. This is from Dlink and it offers full pan and tilt 1080p. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.